What is up, y'all? We're back with another Tacoma mod. Today we're doing the headlights. Already did the tires, some decals, a few other things. And so now the next step's gonna be headlights, because these things they're okay, but the yellow tint and they're too dim. So I figured, why not try to get a cheap pair of cheap set of LED lights and see how those do versus getting a $200 set. Figure we might as well try to get a cheap one, and if we don't like them, then we could always return them and then maybe end up going with a more expensive kit. But these things were maybe 40 bucks off Amazon, which I don't think is too bad. That's nice. For lights, got zip ties, some foam. I don't know. I don't see why those would be really important. Okay, so these are the H11, H8/H9. So they're H11, H8, H9 bulbs, which the Tacoma takes for low beam and high beam. So that's them. They have the box. They're metal. I believe it's a fanless design. The metal sounds good. They feel like cheap Chinese lights, but I haven't felt expensive lights either, so I couldn't tell you how far off they are. So let's try installing them on the truck and see how they look. Okay, so for the low beam install, the low beams are going to be the outermost lights. So on this side, the outermost light, and on this side, it's going to be the outside light. What you're going to want to do is take out the light, which is all the way over here. To take out the light, it's just going to be a quick twist. So twist it this way and pull it out. As you can see, this one's out. I'm not going to take it all the way out. And then unplug it and just grab your new light, put it in, and twist it shut. You'll feel it close. It won't click or anything, but you'll definitely feel it close. So as you can see, these are the lights plugged in. Personally, I didn't have any issues with them not turning on, but other people have, and they said all you have to do is unplug the switch, flip this around, and plug it back in, because it can plug in two different ways. So if your lights aren't lighting up when you turn them on, unplug it, flip this around 180 degrees, and plug it back in. I don't have these zip tied, I just have them floating around in here, and I haven't had any issues after it's been like this for a few months. So I don't think y'all will either, but if you want, you can find a way to zip tie them. Over here it's a little bit tighter, but again, the same concept. You can see the new LEDs installed. So yeah, overall it's very quick. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes if you watch this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, but I'm pretty sure y'all should be able to figure this out. Okay, so this is the inside of the truck. It's not too light out. It's 9 o'clock. So GoPro shows it a little bit more light than it actually is. But that's the difference. Left one is the LED, the right one is the HID, if you couldn't tell. I mean, I don't notice a massive difference right off the bat. Yes I do. So the LED seems brighter than the HID, and it has a better color temperature in my opinion. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Okay. So this is what the low beams look like installed. It's been probably 2 months since I installed them, and so far I haven't had any issues. They look much better than the old HIDs. The color temperature looks a lot better in my opinion, and they're actually a fair bit brighter. So as you can tell, I mean, it's fairly dark outside, but it's lighting all this up. And so for 30-40 bucks, I definitely don't think you can go wrong. One thing I recommend doing is just keeping the old bulbs inside your car in case one does decide to go out. Even though I haven't had any issues, and so I mean, I'd recommend them if you're at all interested. Compared to the old ones, they are brighter, they do shine a lot better, and it's a lot easier to see where you're going. So overall, like I said, it's a big recommend. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to browse my channel. I have a bunch of other stuff about the Tacoma and a few other cars that we have. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.